year of the truck. Continued growth. Moving forward. As we take a look back at 2018 on FCA Replay.
The all-new Ram 1500 pickup made its world debut at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit. The auto show in Detroit was also the setting for the debut of the 2019 Jeep Cherokee, the first significant restyling for the SUV since its debut 5 years ago.
The Fiat 500 lineup goes turbo for 2018 with the 1.4-liter multi-air turbo engine and a sportier appearance, now standard on all models.
The Jeep brand and Jeep enthusiasts took over Moab for the 52nd annual Easter Jeep Safari in Moab, Utah. Mopar celebrated 10 years of Express Lane service at the grand opening of a new Express Lane facility in Pulaski, Virginia.
FCA US LLC and Waymo continue to expand their partnership with the announcement that up to 62,000 Chrysler Pacifica hybrid minivans will be added to Waymo's self-driving fleet.
On Saturday, bidders at the Barrett-Jackson Northeast auction have the chance to take home 1,485 horsepower and two iconic vehicles at one time.
So let's introduce the 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcat.
Dodge has unveiled the 2019 models for the Challenger and Charger, which continue to be the fastest and most powerful muscle cars.
The 10,000-plus horsepower 2019 Mopar Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat NHRA funny car reflects design cues from the production Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. The FCA US Tipton Transmission Plant is celebrating world-class silver. The Indiana facility is the first transmission plant to earn the world-class manufacturing silver designation, and the company's fifth plant since January to achieve silver status.
Employees, competitors, industry leaders, and racers paid tribute to FCA CEO Sergio Marchionne, who died on July 25th. Roadkill Nights, powered by Dodge, attracted more than 44,000 people to Pontiac, Michigan for a day-long celebration of racing and car culture.
Mike Manley, CEO of Fiat Chrysler Automobiles NV, announced new leadership changes.
Mopar roared into Las Vegas for the SEMA show with a number of reveals, led by the 1,000 horsepower Elephant 426 supercharged crate Hemi engine.
They needed a Gladiator.
After years of anticipation, the all-new 2020 Jeep Gladiator debuted on the LA Auto Show stage, making its case as the most capable mid-size truck ever. At Motor Trend's annual Of the Year Awards, FCA US took home 3 of the biggest honors. 2018 has been a year that was all about driving forward, and we aren't slowing down. We hope you come along with us on our journey together into 2019. From all of us at FCA Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia, wishing you happy holidays and a happy new year.